నువ్వు కలిసారంటే వీడు హే మాటలు వాడడు మౌనమే తేలుడు ఎక్కడికక్కడ లెక్కలు తేలుస్తాడు జనమే నేను నేనే జనమంటాడు రక్తం రంగే రక్షాగుణమంటాడు ఊపిరి మొత్తం ఉద్యమ రంగంలా దౌర్జన్యాన్ని నిర్జించేలా గర్జిస్తున్నాడు He's a legend, 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 he's a legend. సమర్థుడు చీకటి చీల్చే చెగువేరా వీడు శక్తి సముద్రుడు శత్రు దుర్భేద్యుడు కన్నై పేలే కాంతి తత్వం వీడు కదిలే చట్టం నడిచే న్యాయం వీడు వెలుతురు కన్నా వేగంగా వస్తాడు నాయకుడైనా సేవకుడై వీడు కష్టం తుడిచే చూపుడు వేలై చరితను రాస్తాడు He's a legend, 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 he's a legend. He's a legend, 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 he's a legend.
Your valuable time came on this evening to big farewell to Shri Ravindran sir. I welcome Srimati Shailaja and Shri Ravindran sir on this special occasion. Thanks a lot. Ravindran sir. He was born on 2nd January 1961. And he was his parents. Sorry, please pardon me. Then he completed his degree in Bachelor's of Commerce and he served his almost 22 years in CISF. He is with us.
Good evening all. Mr. K. Ravindran sir worked for around 13 years in our organization. He gave a great contribution in the growth and expansion of our organization. Let me not miss this opportunity of saying a few words in this honor. Mr. K. Ravindran sir is known for his commitment and dedication to work. His attitude towards work has always been an inspiration for all of us. During his tenure in the organization, he has touched our lives and brought out the best in us.
To facilitate Shri Mati Shailaja and Shri Ravindran.
Good evening, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Thanks to everyone who are here on a Sunday evening, coming all the way to Shamshabad. 30-35 kilometers on a Sunday evening. Nobody wishes to come. But that love, what you shower on him, that time is very precious. Everybody may have money or not, everybody may have wealth or not, you are giving your valuable time to him. that time is very important. I know people came all the way from Secunderabad also, some from Lingampalli also. I thank each and everyone who are here. Thank you very much. Now I request Mr. Ravindran sir and madam to please come. Ma'am, please. Sir, I request you to please come onto the dais. Sujit sir, कहाँ है? Please come onto the dais. Please sir.
तो सर
Indrabhushan sir, please. आप बाजू खड़े हैं.
కొద్దిగా మధ్యలోకి రండి మిడిలకు కొద్దిగా మిడిలకు రండి మేడం కొద్దిగా మిడిలకు
Sir, please sir.
సైడ్కి
Dear Mr. Ravindra ji, respected officers, friends, I have a relation with him for last 10 years. You can see always a smiling face. Last month, I think, he met me with a request of my retirement. I said that it will be done, and within 2 weeks, he got the clearance. So it's showing his commitment, his dedication to his work. He motivates. I have seen that he is motivating his staff. I wish you all the best, a happy retirement life, a joyful life, a wonderful life. Thank you.
I request Indrabhushan sir to please take you. Please. Good evening to all.
Yeah. I've been interacting with Ravindran sir for the last 2 years. Ravindran sir is very disciplined, punctual, and he's a very nice, good human being. He will not keep anything inside. We all like him very much, and I wish him all the best and happy retirement life.
Sure sir. Mic is yours. No sir, do it sir, do it.
Respected Ravindra sir, Madam Shailada, Makai sir, and all colleagues here. Why I asked for 10 minutes, there's a reason behind it. See, I know him since 30 years, and 30 years is a huge time. We knew each other in the sense, I knew there is someone called Mr. David, and he knew that someone called Mr. Sujit is there. But I went to Roorkela, I think it is in 92 or something, and he was IPS officer's terrorist, and he was managing the intelligence section at Roorkela. And tell you, Roorkela is like one tenure, serve there, resign, go, live happily for the next 50 years. That is Roorkela. I went there, and then someone told me, there is one Mr. Ravindra. You keep 1 lakh in front of him, he is not going to touch that. See, 1 lakh may sound very, very, very little now. I'm talking 30 years back. So then that moment, I had some sense of pride, and I thought, okay, there's a man here. We did not meet then also. Our meeting happened quite later. But these sort of things, if I don't tell now, then I don't get an opportunity to do wrong. Honest to the core. If I sum up Mr. Ravindran in one word, I will say real. Why? I'll tell you why it is real. Real means I consider myself fake. 99% of the people who are sitting here is fake. Why fake? Because we put a mask on it's a virtual mask. Okay, this is not the we that we are actually doing all these sort of things here. We are something else. We put a virtual mask, come out of the home, behave according to the situation, take accolades, which at times gets converted into monetary benefits also, go back home, take off your so-called mask, and then most of us are real. What I found in him is he is real. Now, of course, because this thing has come, we are masking the mask. Okay, it's him. We should appreciate him. Whatever he is standing for, he is a superb human being. I always appreciated for that, and we had wonderful times also. Now, I have to naturally talk about Shailaja Madam also. All the three of us come from the same district, hardly 17-18 kilometers apart. Shailaja Madam is a wonderful singer. Me and Shailaja Madam. So the relationship goes back and back and back. So that is why I told even 10 minutes will not be enough for me to tell something about Mr. Ravindran and Shailaja Madam. Okay. She had a wonderful tenure in CISF. She came out. I'm sure that he had a wonderful tenure in earlier HMA CPL and now GC, EC, AL. What is it? A lot of things for it. Now, once again, same thing, the real and the fake thing. See, if there are many people who are yet to come out of, because I am hardly 2-3 years behind him, after that, there are a lot of people who are queued up. If half the sort of reception that he got today, if I am getting it, I think my services be satisfied. I will be fully satisfied with Mr. Ravindran. Because he was real. Okay, there is nothing fake in him. He was real and you have given him the best parting note to him. I congratulate all of you for doing that gesture.
Good evening to all. I am Khabar. I was working with GMR Airport earlier for 12 years. Then I went for the Mile Airport for 2 years and I am back now. So, respected Ravindra sir, madam, very sad moment for me and for everybody. We have worked together in CISF also. There was 85 batch and 87 batch. So I know him since 30 years. And we have been working together. We are very closely working with him. He is very kind-hearted person. You know, his voice is very high pitched. So somebody, the new person listens him, then he thinks, oh, he's very hard person. No, he's not going to cooperate. He's not like that. You see that, आपने नारियल देखा होगा, नारियल क्या है, बाहर से बहुत हार्ड होता है, बट अंदर में बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है. Conducting like, you know, bomb threat, radiological exercise and other RD exercise. And he never says no. आप कोई भी काम इनके पास लेके जाइए, कभी भी नो नहीं बोलता है, हमेशा हाँ बोलेंगे और always smiling. So, sir, we are going to lose your services. You are very kind-hearted, and I pray to God a happy retired life. And anything for us, let us know. And we are also following, just like Sujit told. I am also 3 years or 4 years following back. So this faith is going to come to everybody. And I pray to God, wish you good health and happy retired life. Thank you.
The team of security wants to facilitate you for coming here. Sudhakar Sharma sir. Sir, I want you to please come onto the dais and say a few words about him. Meere Japal sir.
He is not only real, the real hero. Real hero anywhere. Real hero, no fear. काम होना है, काम करते हैं, काम के लिए लड़ते हैं, है नहीं? All people are yes or no, say yes or no. So, since last 13 years, I think so 13 years onwards, 13 plus, I'm closely associated with him. We used to meet every month in one meeting that is called security committee meeting. In all security committee meetings, but I'm facing lot of problems to minute the meetings of meeting minutes. Who's saying some voice in lowly, but when Ravindran sir talks to that, I'm very happy that I can easily hear, and it will be in mind. Now I don't need to write also. That is the voice I can remember anywhere, anytime. So God bless you, sir. Now is the chance to all the time 24 hours time. Now you got the chance to hear all this from your voice at home. So all the best. And one more, the new CSO of Cargo, none other than the great Shekhawat ji. Welcome back to GM. He is such a dynamic. He is too dynamic and you three dynamic. And he know how to get the things. You know how smartly get the things. That is the reason. Both all are your worthy ka hai. But I am not worthy. But I am happy to make myself to become work as a worthy people like you. Okay. Once again, a big salute to you and happy retirement, peaceful life. Abhi Sonchalane happily enjoy and in the on us I am saying, I am giving word to Ravindran Garu. Wherever he goes in India, any pilgrimage places, anywhere in India, you please let me know. I will facilitate anywhere in whatever you want. Okay, wherever you go. आपका नारियल का दुकान पे भी मैं करते हैं. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sure, sir. I would like to invite Ms. Paval. Please come onto the stage and say a few words.
Thank you, Ravindran Garu, Shalja madam. I'm so happy to be standing next to you on your retirement day. The love that the whole trade is showering here, not only GMR Cargo, GMR, the officials, airlines, agents, clearing agents, everybody is present. Our old employees, everybody is present here collectively to commemorate this day and bid farewell to sir. He's been an amazing mentor. Like I said a few days earlier, he has raised this cargo division, which was earlier HMECPL, from his own hands. He was one of the first few employees of the company. He has raised this company like a baby with his own hands, and all of us have been trained by him. So you can see the love, the devotion, the respect that we have for sir from the occasion today. And I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy, sir, that I got to work with you in business development. I was telling everybody that security is a tough job. The person has to be tough. But sir has such an outlook that he has helped everybody here. He has touched every life here. He has helped everybody in the trade with whatever problems they had. He has suggested solutions with regulatory, with process, with his devotion, with his thought process. I mean, he's an excellent thinker as well, and he will come up with his own solutions for every type of problem. So in business development or in regular operations, he has come up with so many things to help the trade and touch all our lives. Thank you, sir, for your contribution. And 3 cheers to you. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
I would like to invite Mr. Tulsi Prasad, President Akai, to please come onto the dais and say a few words. Firstly, thank you for coming, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Mr. Ravindran, we are missing you. In fact, I owe a lot to you for that. And that you had trade itself owes a lot to you. And I could see such a wonderful officer in you. And then another important thing I would like to.
Namaskar, sir. Good evening, Ravindran sir, Madhai sir, Sujit sir, and all colleagues, all team members, new joining, Shekhawat sir, taking all the new responsibilities. And from there onwards, we are in continuous touch. And this is a personal, not official, but personally we are in touch always. He always guided me whenever I feel that now where should I go, what should the next step. He always guided me. And as Sujit sir has said, he's a real man. Because you never find the person who are real and the person who takes care of his team. Because the person who takes care of his team, he always have lots of regards, lots of inner satisfaction, which I always find in his face. And the way Ravindran Saab projects anything and helps, it's really memorable. And I personally, I just request Ravindran Saab to maintain his health as he was having before 2005, because he might have an accident in 2005. After that, he lost his health. Otherwise, before 2005, I think no one is here as was his body and as was his health at that time, before 2005. I request Ravindran Saab to maintain as earlier, and we wish a happy retirement from organization only, not from work. This is my request. He should continue whatever he wants as per his choice. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Gopalakrishnan, sir.
I am Gopalakrishnan. I am also from CISR. I have worked in CISR because here whoever talk about Ravindran sir are from CISR, and I am holding the head of Raksha here. I am associated with Ravindran sir for a long time because of our association as CISR officers. I am from 82 batch and retired as a deputy commander, and I joined in Raksha. But I have seen an officer of JMR after coming to report at airport. Mr. Ravindran, sir is a very, very tough officer because you may be seeing him as a colleague. I am seeing him as a client because we are service providers and he is a service recipient. So he is very tough. He is very, very perfect in the security norms implementation and implementation of the process also. So giving service to a person who is very perfect, it is very, very difficult. But he is very kind enough to correct people, give guidance and solution, and the issue is resolved completely. So we respect him as a service provider, at the same time as my colleague, my friend, and I wish him all the best in his retired life, like me also, because I have, after retirement also I am serving. So I extended his services also, but he was very particular about enjoying the retired life. So we wish him very, very happy retired life, and I am specially thanking you for the help and support extended to Raksha Security Services in Hyderabad. And I welcome Mr. H.S. Shekhawat. Sir also, he has joined as CSO Cargo. He has worked with us also earlier in GMR. So I wish him a good stint at Cargo, also as he was in the GMR. Thank you very much, sir.
I request Satyanarayana sir to please come and say a few words.
Respected Ravindran sir, Madam Shailaja madam, and senior officers and my colleagues. Today really it is a painful day for me. In near about 2002 in Chennai, that time I was in Chennai Port Trust, and sir got posted to Chennai airport. And again after that we Ravindran sir joined in 2007 in Menzies Cargo, and myself, one more Ravindran Nair sir, we left CISF in 2008 and we went to Bangalore Raksha office for joining. That time our MD was MR Reddy. He was also a tiger, and Narayan Rao Deshmukh sir, he was also IPS, both were IPS officers. And when we reported to them, they have asked myself and Mr. Ravindran Nair to report at Hyderabad airport as AGM. Then before leaving Bangalore, they told us, भाई when आप लोग जो जा रहा है वहाँ पर किसी से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, except one Mr. Ravindran, who is CSO of Cargo, Menzies Cargo. फिर जब हमने पूछा, नारायण राव साहब देशमुख साहब ने बोला भाई वो तो इतना जो है टफ ऑफिसर है और पूरा जो है जो भी डिस्क्रिपेंसीज है, तो जो भी कमी है इमीडिएटली हम लोग को मेल दे देता है. तो फिर हम लोग ने मन में सोचा ठीक है, वो हम लोग का बैचमेट भी है और क्लोज फ्रेंड भी है. फिर फर्स्ट व्हेन वी लैंडेड इन हैदराबाद, इमीडिएटली वी वेंट टू हिम एंड वी रिक्वेस्टेड हिम, बाबा जो भी होगा मेल्स में नहीं देना है, जो यू प्लीज टेल अस and we will rectify all the whatever issues are there. Really from that day onwards, so we never get any report from him, and if there is a report also, immediately used to inform us over telephone. And like others told, he is a really open-hearted and employee friendly, and he always fight for his if it is a real genuine case of his subordinates, he will always go to the end to solve that issues. And even for any one comes to him, if it is a genuine, immediately he used to give his endorsement, or otherwise he will guide him and he will go ahead and advise them. And really it's a sad day for me, because so one of my best friend is going to be retired today, and happy retirement life. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity.
Mr. Pasarraj sir.
Good evening, one and all. Ravindran sir and Shailaja madam. I am very fortunate because everybody told about associated with Ravindran sir. I was associated with both of them parallelly, because from the official side, he used to be the key person who is always, sir, are you planning for any drill? So that is the way when we get associated with Ravindran sir, especially conducting the drill or any activity in the GMR Cargo. He used to be the key person who supports as an heir of a team, and within no time, not only a day or not only 3 or 4 hours, the time I call him, he will give, the very next minute he will say, yes, you go ahead. Then if I send a mail, within no time I'll get. So coming back to Shailaja madam, so as I was associated with her as a parent teachers committee member in the school also not less than 6 or 7 years, even still I don't recollect, and she is a very good singer. Even my children, lot more to say, as he is leaving the service, he is not leaving from our hearts. I take this opportunity as an heir of a team, wish them all the best for futures and the future retired life. Thank you, sir. Definitely as a personal friend, I lose you, sir. Thank you so much. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Shekhawat Saab also. Sorry. Thank you, Mr. Shekhawat Saab.
So, going forward, the safety and security team of GMR Cargo wants to show their love to Ravindran sir. I'm getting calls from some of the members that they want to talk. You know, they want to come here and talk. And if we keep talking, aaj ka raat bas nahi hoga. So, the safety and security team of GMR wants to facilitate Ravindran sir. They want to show their love. Please come, guys. My boss loves Krishna a lot. Krishna ni begane babu. Anjan, Jagdish, Kevin Reddy, Venkat Reddy, थोड़ा लाइटिंग आने दीजिए. थोड़ा लाइटिंग आने दीजिए. ओपन చేయరా? लाइट ये
అక్కడ వెళ్ళాలి అందరూ వస్తారు.
सही है.
సార్ సైడ్ సార్
సైడ్
కనిపిస్తలే సార్.
ఇంకట్ సైడ్
సార్ కృష్ణుడే కనిపిస్తలే మీరు సార్.
సీర కొంచెం ఎంకల్ జరు ఎంకల్ జరు.
There's a small moment of
సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ మేడం సార్ ఓకే సార్.
स्टेज बस नहीं है इतना.
సార్ ఇటు సార్ కొద్దిగా
साइड दे दीजिए. साइड लेडीज प्लीज कम.
ఇటు సార్ అందరు.
The photograph has all the security team members, sir.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఇటు సార్ అందరు.
Everybody is there.
ఓకే సార్.
One second.
Very strong man. Thank you.
सर के लिए 3-4 गाड़ी बुक करना आज.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So one more small. Everybody, please.
Car was decorated with the wedding color.
అన్న
ఏంటన్నా?
యూట్యూబ్లో పెట్టారంట యూట్యూబ్లో పెడతారంట
Please, photographs. Flash on the move. मुझे पता है सर, छोटा हो गया होगा। The team members can move down. Now the stage is open for all the guests who have come here to show you now. सर फोटोज खींच रहे हैं, थोड़ा आप स्माइल करना सर। सर लाइट नहीं है सर, आप स्माइल करना है। अभी आएगा फोटो, साउंड भी आना है।
ఓకే సార్
Mr. Sai Kiran from ICL, I want Mr. Sai Kiran to talk 2 minutes, at least 1 minute. Sir, happy retirement, sir. Thank you, Sai Kiran, for coming all the way. Thank you, Sai Santosh. Ravin from IOS, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Now the Telangana Welfare Association, the international agents, thank you all for actively coming all the way here. बॉटल है क्या? दारू नहीं पीता सर। अंजन सुपर
సార్ ఒక్కసారి సార్
सुपर गिफ्ट दिया, अभी 2 मिनट बात भी करना है, ठीक है? नहीं चलेगा। एयरपोर्ट में सबको बुला के बात करता है ना, इधर बात करिए, सही है ना?
Thank you, so nice.
बात करिए प्लीज। 2 गाड़ी बसने होगा, 4 गाड़ी मंगाओ।
రెడీ
Thank you so much. The time is very much important. You have taken your time and came here all the way. That is more than these gifts.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి సార్, ఇటు సార్ అన్న కొద్దిగా బ్యాక్ సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ రెడీ మేడం ఒక్కసారి సార్ ఓకే
बात करना है।
मैं छोड़ूंगा अभी बोलना है।
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇక్కడ ఈ కార్యక్రమం అరేంజ్ చేసినందుకు సందీప్ గారికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఈ యొక్క ఈవెంట్ యొక్క ఈ స్మృతులన్నీ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే ఒకటి కావాలి, మనకు ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కావాలి, ఒక ఈవెంట్ కావాలి. అది ఎంతో రిస్క్ తీసుకొని మన సందీప్ గారు ఇది అరేంజ్ చేసినందుకు నేను వారికి కృతజ్ఞత తెలుపుతున్నాను. చాలా మంచివారు అని చెప్పేసి మేము కొన్ని పాటించాలని కూడా అనుకున్నాము. కొన్ని తన దగ్గర నుంచి కొన్ని మంచి విషయాలు తీసుకొని మేము కూడా లైఫ్లో ఇటువంటి పాటించాలి, మనం కూడా ఇలా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పేసి కొన్ని తెలుసుకున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్ సార్.
ఓకే మేడం ఓకే సార్ ओके कृष्ण
हमारा टर्मिनल हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर तो नहीं है, हमारा पड़ोसी है।
సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ మేడం ఓకే
गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल सर। एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ। अगर सीनियर मैनेजमेंट जो रहता है ना, सीनियर मैनेजमेंट वो लाइक आवर पेरेंट्स है, क्योंकि एवरीथिंग दे आर टीचिंग अस, एवरीथिंग दे आर टीचिंग अस, तो वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट देम। और बहुत अच्छा हो करते। और जब इमोशनल क्या है, जब इधर अभी सर जा रहे हैं रिटायरमेंट के लिए, जब फैमिली से कोई जाता है तो बहुत थोड़ा वो रहता है मन को कि हाँ अभी हमारे साथ जा रहे हैं अभी, तो एवरीबॉडी मतलब लव करता। जब इतना साल के बाद सर जा रहा है तो सब लोग सोचता है सर जा रहे हैं अभी क्या होगा, थोड़ा मन में हो रहता, डर रहता, ठीक है ना। जैसे सीनियर ऊपर रहता है, उनका हाथ रहता है तो डर चला जाता है। जब सीनियर जो भी है, हमारा सीनियर है, हमको टीच करता है तो हमको थोड़ा रिलैक्स रहता है भी हाँ सर हैं, देख लेगा एवरीथिंग। सो वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट देम। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सर।
I don't know what to speak. We spend a lot of time with Ravindran sir every day. It's been 13 years with a relationship with sir. Initial 3-4 years we used to come to his cabin and only spend time with Sandeep. But later on our relationship grown so strong that every time we come, twice in a week we come and sit in front of Ravindran sir. Even though generation gap is there, but he used to enjoy our talk. He used to support us. We had a team like 4-5 members every week. Twice we used to go and sit in Sir Ravindran sir's cabin. Sir, we are going to miss those days, sir. Thank you, sir.
The GMR excluding safety and security, बाकी टीम पूरा है। Operations, finance, admin, अगड़म बगड़म, बहुत डिपार्टमेंट हो गया अभी तो। DMP है सर यहाँ पे, unofficial CEO। Thank you all for coming, entire team. I thank each and every one of you for coming here.
अंदर निकल जुर्माना ना,
स्टेज बस नहीं है, इतना प्यार है।
सर इकड़े जोड़े अंदर, सर ఒక్కసారి सर अंदर रेडी।
50% फोटो ले लेंगे
सर,
एक आधा उसके बाद नहीं तो किसी का नहीं आएगा। हाँ थोड़ा नीचे आकर, थोड़ा 5 लोग 10 लोग नीचे आकर बैठ जाइए। अगर कोई लंबा है मेरे से ज्यादा तो पीछे चले जाइए। आदमी तो सर के बाजू खड़े रहना पसंद करते हैं। पूछ आए समझ के कम जगह खाली है ना। संतोष
ప్రవీణ్ వచ్చేసే, నీ వీటి వచ్చేసే। ఓకే ప్రవీణ్ సార్ ఇటు సార్। ఓకే సార్ రెడీ, సార్ రెడీ, సార్ రెడీ, సార్ ఒక్క సార్ రెడీ।
अभी बात करना है, ठीक है? कौन बात करेगा? बेनो।
Good health and issue, and thanks for your coordination, this cooperation extended during audits. Very supportive, and wherever the support required, we used to get from security excellent support. We used to for the auditors because they come for only limited period. So thank you, sir. From finance team we support. Thank you, sir.
आगे कुछ बात करना है?
Sir, I wish you a happy retirement lifetime. जय हिंद।
राजू बात करेगा अभी नहीं, उसके बाद राजू के बाद
सर इकड़े सर।
थैंक यू ऑल फॉर कमिंग हियर। थैंक यू सो मच फ्रॉम माय हार्ट। बॉटम नहीं बोलूंगा। श्रीनिवास LH नहीं, ये तो हमारा स्टाफ है, किराए को दे दिया इनको। कहाँ है अभी? अच्छा इसमें मिल गया है, ऑफिस में आने मत दो। थैंक यू मूर्ति, परशुराम, माणिक्या, मानैया, थैंक यू ऑल। इतना दिन सर को फैसिलिटेट किया, पानी पिलाया, लास्ट में बादाम मिल्क पिलाया, बहुत गाली भी सुना है टाइम पे पानी नहीं मिलने से। वर्कर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ हैदराबाद, राठौड़ इज मिसिंग। इनका फैसिलिटेशन थोड़ा अलग होगा बोल के बताया, पता नहीं क्या है ये। वाओ 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 वाओ, थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच।
సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్, మేడం మేడం ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్.
वाओ, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करो ना। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। और 2 गाड़ी ज्यादा। मोसेस थोड़ा इस तरफ देखो, भूपेश
మేడం కొద్దిగా కిందికి పెట్టుకోండి ప్లీజ్ సార్. సార్ ఇటు సార్.
ये थोड़ा देखिए, स्पेशल आइटम है, आप मिस कर रहे हो। अगर कोई मिस कर रहे हो तो खाने में बिजी हो तो एक नजर इस तरफ डालिए। शिवाजी महाराज आएंगे अभी। हैदराबाद केरला स्टाइल देते हैं। वाओ वाओ वाओ, सुपर सुपर। थोड़ा ऊपर से। Thank you so much, the Associate and Domestic Agents Association. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you all.
आप लोग मुझे इतना फ्लैट किया, माय गॉड, थैंक
हाँ,
यू।
जो ना बात, इतना गिफ्ट दिया तो पक्का बात करना दूंगा ना, गिफ्ट देना नहीं, ज्यादा बात करना है आपको। चलो गोपाल,
ఇప్పుడు అందరికీ తెలిసినట్టు ఐపీఎల్ సీజన్ ఉంటుంది. IPL 1, IPL 2. నెక్స్ట్ నాకు కావాలి, మన అందరికీ కావాలి, రవీందర్ సార్ 2 సీజన్ ఉంటే బాగుండి అనిపిస్తుంది. సేమ్ పొజిషన్, సేమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, మీ దగ్గర నుంచి చాలా నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఇప్పటికీ డైలీ ఐడి కార్డు తీసుకున్నప్పుడు సాడే గుర్తుకొస్తారు. నాకు కాదు, అందరికీ. వచ్చేటప్పుడు కూడా అన్నని అడిగిన, ఐడి కార్డు వేసుకోకపోతే సార్ ఏమన్నా అంటారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. ఒక జోక్ గుర్తుంది నాకు, స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ కొత్తలో సార్ కూడా వచ్చినప్పుడు నా ముందటున్న వ్యక్తికి XYZ నేను చెప్పాను. సార్ వచ్చి సార్ స్టైల్లో, ఏ క్యా హో రహా హై ఇధర్, ముందటున్న వ్యక్తి తెలియదు అతను, ఇద్దరు కుచ్ నహీ హో రహా హై. తర్వాత వేరే వాళ్ళు థర్డ్ పర్సన్ ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చి చెప్పినుండే. అటువంటి మెమరీస్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి సార్తోని. నేను సార్ దగ్గరికి నేను కూడా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు నన్ను సార్ క్యాబిన్ లో డిప్స్ కొట్టిపించాడు. సార్ నేను డిప్స్ కొట్టినాం. చాలా అంటే చాలా అన్ని మెమరీస్. ఎనీవే మిస్ యూ సార్, ఎప్పటికీ గుర్తు పెట్టుకుంటాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
बात करना है अलीम भाई, आप तो बात करना है। मैथ्यू सर सबसे सीनियर आदमी हो, POBC का नाम पूरा दुनिया जानता है।
Thank you. I am really blessed. Thank you.
Sir, we are going to miss you. अभी देखो मीटिंग में
कम से कम आज तो सच बोलो।
मीटिंग में हमारे दोनों का कभी लड़ाई होते रहता, टीजी तो ऐसा हो गया। एक दिन ऐसा देखते देखते कभी मीटिंग में आते, क्या भाई तो भी केसेस नहीं है तो भी डीजी कैसा केसेस हो गया तो ऐसा पटेल देखते ही डीजी का याद आता साहब को, वो मिस करते हम लोग।
पटेल को देखा तो नहीं आता, महतू को देखा तो। आप लोग आज भी एक डीजी लेके आए, पता है डेंजरस आर्टिकल लेके आए आप लोग, पता है ये आज भी केस करना है सर। हाँ तलवार लेके आए ना। थैंक यू ऑल फॉर कमिंग हियर, थैंक यू सो मच। एक कौन लेके आया तलवार, उनके ऊपर केस बुक करना ना। डिक्लेरेशन फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग आवर रिक्वेस्ट इनविटेशन एंड कमिंग हियर ऑल द वे। Mr. Srinivas from Lufthansa.
Oh, thank you.
I'm doing it better now. What you guys are doing?
Hello.
Hello. थोड़ा दारू पिला।
आसानी से कर सकते
बिगड़ गया। Thank you Vishnu for coming. Listen from me to come here.
Sir, close. Madam, you ready? Madam, ready?
किसी का तो मेरा गलती नहीं है, 13 years से साथ में था ना।
इतना नहीं।
अच्छा फोटो सेशन
ना हमारा सलामत रहे दोस्ताना हमारा, ना बिछड़ेंगे मिल के भी हम दोस्तों, ना बिछड़ेंगे मिल के भी हम दोस्तों, हमें दोस्ती की कसम दोस्तों, पता कोई पूछे तो कहते हैं हम कि एक दूजे के दिल में रहते हैं हम, रहते हैं हम। थैंक यू।
Srinivas is the one who called me and asked me that he wants invitation to come here.
It's not essential actually. We can come without invitation.
और मुझे बोला सर मैं सुबह आ जाऊंगा, क्या काम है बोलिए।
No, that is because Corona never comes. Corona is afraid of camera.
Okay, madam.
काय नहीं, 13 साल से हमको कहा रहते हैं।
Sir, ready, sir?
Good evening everyone. Good evening sir. Good evening ma'am. जब भी मैं इनसे मिलता हूँ सुबह मिल के जाता हूँ एंड कैसे हैं आप सर। उनका एक लाइन रहता है, जिंदगी का नाम चलती गाड़ी।
अभी सबका भी रिमेनिंग लाइफ अच्छा स्वस्थ रहे, लॉन्ग लाइफ रहे, यही हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। ओके थैंक यू सर।
చెప్తాను, నది అనేది ఒక చోటే ఉంటే ఆ ప్రాంతం వాళ్ళే దాన్ని తాగి తృప్తి పొందగలరు. కానీ ఆ నది అనేది అనేకమైన చోట్లకు ప్రవహిస్తే అందరూ కూడా అనేకమైన చోట్ల ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కూడా దాన్ని తాగి తృప్తిపరచగలరు. అందరం బాధపడుతున్నారు, రవీంద్ర సార్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారని. ఎప్పుడు మనతోనే ఉంటే ఆ మధ్య తిట్టేటప్పుడు కానీ పొగిడేటప్పుడు కానీ బిడ్డల దగ్గర తీసుకునేటప్పుడు కానీ ఆ మజా అనేది మనం ఒక్కడే కాదు అందరూ అనుభవించాలి. ఈ ఇండియాలో అనేకమైన చోట్ల సార్ వెళ్తూనే ఉండాలి, అక్కడ మనలాంటి బిడ్డలు ఆదరించబడుతూనే ఉండాలి. తిట్టినప్పుడు ఆ మజా జిల్ అనేది అనుభవిస్తూనే ఉండాలి. జై హింద్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
थोड़ा उस तरफ जाके आ गया होगा। अभी थोड़ा हिम्मत आ रहा है बात करने के लिए, थोड़ा एक राउंड मार के आ जाइए, ठीक है? If somebody wants to speak, come out quickly. I know. Please.
हमारा टीम एक फोटो प्लीज.
सर
संतोष का है, संतोष मणि
सर. ओके सर.
I joined in 2016 men's cargo में.
प्लीज.
Mathai sir wants to leave. Sir didn't eat the dinner also. मैं रिक्वेस्ट किया फिर भी नहीं मान रहे, तो सर के लिए एक फ्रूट बास्केट आपकी तरफ से प्लीज सर. आई वांट यू टू प्लीज सर, प्लीज सर, प्लीज कम अप, प्लीज कम अप सर. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation and coming all the way here, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
उसको भी माँ बोल सकता है, कभी भी ना हम लोग किसी का पापा नहीं बोल सकता है, लेकिन आई रियली बिकॉज ही गाइड हिम, ही लेसन हिम एवरीथिंग लाइक ए फादर. प्लीज ब्लेस मी सर, प्लीज ब्लेस मी. कभी कुछ भी गलती होता है तो वो मन में नहीं भी रखता है, फादर का जैसे हमको ब्लेस करके हमारे को उसका ब्लेसिंग हमेशा देता है. वो कैसे बोलेंगे वो पता नहीं चला है. फ्रॉम माई इनर साइड ऑफ द हार्ट, रियली आई थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. आई रियली मिस यू सर एंड ऑल द बेस्ट सर. जय हिंद.
फिर भी तो सब स्टाफ लोग बोल रहा था, साफ रहने से हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, इसलिए साफ संभालेगा, ठीक है? तो अभी हाँ, तो आवाज ठीक है, लेकिन उधर नहीं आएगा. तो आपका जो इंडिया लाइफ इधर ही है, तो अराउंड 36 ईयर्स सर्विस किया था, ठीक है? तो ये 36 सर्विस में अगर एक बार आपको साथ में कोई भी आदमी मिला है, कभी भी जिंदगी में भूलेगा नहीं. ये आपका स्पेशलिटी है. तो वंस अगेन गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू. The beautiful ladies of GMR Cargo want to give a fruit basket to the beautiful lady. आ जाओ संध्या, आ जाओ. कोई पकड़ के दो उनके हाथ में. हाँ, आपको लेके जाना है क्या? कैमरा कवर कर देते क्या?
मास्क निकाल लीजिए.
Sharita, thank you so much for coming and wish you all the best. We'll be there for your marriage. Definitely. See, people are laughing there. They all came for your brother's marriage. They all will come for your marriage also. Shiva, देखो हाथ उठा दिए. Thank you so much.
बकवास इसीलिए बंद हो गया वो.
चलते पे ये बात नहीं सुन सकते. सर क्या हुआ? बकवास इतना देर हो गया. ये भेजने पर क्या हुआ राजू? कौन लेट हो गया? कोई बात नहीं, आपको कुछ भी नहीं
बोल दिया, उसके बाद बोल रहा.
कौन लेट हो गया राजू? मैं आधा घंटे से वेट कर लूं. बकवास.
तो कौन खींचेंगी इसको?
ठीक है, कल से टाइम से आ जाओ. क्या अनिल भाई? ओके ना अनिल साहब? क्या राजू हल्का चला रहे, नाश्ता नहीं कर रहे क्या? चलो भगाओ, देर हो गया. ऑफिस को 9 o'clock पहुंचने का है. आप लोग लेट हुआ तो मैं आधा घंटा वेट कर रहे. ठीक है चलो।
गाड़ी ऑफिस तक नहीं आया अभी।
सर आप छुट्टी में जा रहे हैं? छुट्टी नहीं,
अप्पा का पास आए हुए
ड्यूटी में जा रहे, DCS को जा रहे। गाड़ी रखो, 12 बजे जाने के 11:40 की गाड़ी रहना। हाँ ओके, गाड़ी रखो। ठीक है, मैं गाड़ी लेके आपको लेके DCS पे छोड़ के फिर बाद में संदीप फोन करता, क्या राजू कहाँ है? जल्दी खाना खाएंगे, आ जाओ। मैं संदीप को इंडिगो का शिवा का साथ खाना खाने के टाइम में रविंद्र सर फोन करते हैं, राजू आ जाओ, थोड़ा खाना खा रहे तो ठीक है आप खाना खा लो, मैं पैदल आप उठना नहीं, खाना खा लो। 5 किलोमीटर पैदल आते सब, मैं आते सब, मैं बोला ना पैदल आते, खाना खा लो, फिर बाद में आके क्या रे क्या बोल करते, पहले बोलना।
इतना नहीं बोलता है मैं।
थोड़ा चार्जिंग हो गया ना। पापा ऐसे भी नहीं पीते, पीने वाला को थोड़ा इंकरेजमेंट देना सर। थैंक यू सर।
इन्विटेशन है ना, लाओ जब सार में ना लाओ जुपिया।
सार के लिए बोलना बोले तो बहुत है, साहब इतना साल से है, इतना लोग से ज्यादा मैं ही नजदीक है साहब से, 13 ईयर्स से। ये तो सीट का पीछे रहता, मैं सीट का सामने रहता, सामने बैठता साहब,
मेरा पैर पीछे से आता है सामने।
ये तो बड़ा पैर है। मगर इतना रविंद्र साहब को मिस हो रहा बोले तो बहुत दुख लग रहा। हमारा बहुत हेल्प करा रविंद्र साहब, किधर भी रहे तो अच्छा रहना, तो भगवान को प्रार्थना करूं। जय हिंद साहब।
Sales representative, I know this all are not matching my character. So when I heard that there is a vacancy called for sub-inspectors, that term invited me, even though CISF is not that of a force like the law and order or police organizations of the state. However, I was attracted. Who prompted me to join the force? Lost in the selection process, and I could clear it very smoothly. And he became a multimillionaire by going to Gulf countries, and I was in the force. That is the fun. 22 years I served and joined Menzies GMR combination in 2007. This is the 14th year now. Another 3 months I will be completing 14 years. It's a long innings, long time, and people are also getting bored. Somebody should occupy the place, and that was now happened. I have to leave because I cannot force the calendar to be retained. No, I don't want to increase my age, so there is no need to change the calendar. I cannot say that. So the calendar changed and I have to go. It was a very good experience for me because the Air Cargo Terminal 1 was the first one in India to try for the regulated agent status, because all the airports were run by Airports Authority of India, and first one was Cochin International Airport. They never tried for the RA status, and this became the second private-public partnership airport in India where the regulated agent status concept was introduced, and I proudly feel happy that I led the team for that. It's not my personal achievement. I have good colleagues like Sandeep, Gopakumar, all to support me. Through their support and cooperation, I could achieve all the whatever we made there. Every business is run for profit, so there were constraints, limitations to spend for the security purpose. So we lived with the limited manpower. So all those worked with me in the initial days, has to work more in the sense running 2 X-ray machines by one person. Bharat and all know that, na? So that is really painful. And it is complete violation of the regulation. I should not talk all this, but it's a fact. So the people took much pain to do the job and never caused any laxity or delay in clearing the cargo. And we proudly claim that our contribution to the air cargo terminal is number 1, if not more than that. I don't know any other. Everybody contributes, not only that safety and security, operation, finance, everybody contributes, but I have to claim about my team, that's it. And DGR violations and all that, we started with one incident where the aircraft has to land back after flying half an hour. So that was a shocking development, and that was an eye-opener also. So, but we never tortured anybody, never troubled anybody. We always highlighted that this violation is taking place, be careful. And nobody bothered because they all know that we will be protecting their interests. Their career or agents community were also enjoying, and I really thank for the love and affection showered on me. I don't know whether I deserve it. I was telling earlier that the Cleopatra and Mark Antony, that there is a dialogue. Brutus is, Mark Antony says always, Brutus is a honorable man, whereas the meaning is negative. Julius Caesar was stabbed when he was climbing the steps to sit on the throne. So Brutus is one of his close associates who also stabbed back from him, from the back. So he turns and says, Brutus, you too. That became a famous phrase used globally for those who are cheating. Trusted people, when they cheat, that term is used. So in the funeral, when the talks were happening, Mark Antony said that Caesar did this thing, but Brutus is a honorable man. So I thought that I will be getting that compliment. Brutus is a honorable man. I said that to Sandeep also. So anyway, you showered love, which I don't deserve because I shouted, abused, even beaten. Ajay on call know that when they were trying for the basic aircraft training preparation, I used to beat them with a scale. Father may not do that. That much of... So how I got the guts to beat somebody?
That's why he's here today.
Yeah, I know that. See, it is because of love. I used to make them sit in this 10 times sit. You are not prepared. You are not studied. Sit 10 times. So all these gimmicks takes place in my room, in my cabin. And it's all because of my love for everybody. Even though my words may not be friendly, my voice is not so friendly, and many people are not comfortable with my voice, I know that. But it is all Kudirat, given by my mother and father. So let me accept it proudly. That is my asset. And that nuisance voice will not be there in the air cargo terminal anymore. I will be coming there for many reasons. And you are getting a very good chief, Mr. Shekhawat, who is an experienced, well-trained auditor, instructor, and a master in the subject matter. He worked with the airport, and now he is to the cargo terminal, but he is familiar with everything. So you will find a very comfortable person to work with, Mr. Shekhawat. So you will not be missing me anyway. And the domestic trade, CHA, Sakai, everybody, those who came, in addition to my own teammates, I really thank you all, because I always shouted at everybody. I never expected love from anybody. It's a different scenario. Thankful to you all. Thankful to you all. I got what I can expect, more than what I can dream. So that much of love you showered on me is beyond my imagination. And I will cherish this moment in my life. I will cherish this moment in my life. Thank you all. Thank you, and God bless you.
వెళ్ళిపో పక్కన వద్దా చార్జింగ్ తక్కువ ఉంది.
चमक चमक चाम चुटको चुटको चांस दొరికే రోజు झनक झनक चाम पटको पटको चाम पे दरुले भैया रे भैया वीडियो वीडियो सैयद दिया भैया रे भैया 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 रे दिया चाम चाम चट चाम चट चाम चाम रगाई चीनी अलचा चाम चाम चट चाम चाम रगाई चीनी रागम పడమర కొండల్లో వాలిన సూర్యుడా పగిలిన కోటలనే వదిలిన మారేడా పడమర కొండల్లో వాలిన సూర్యుడా పగిలిన కోటలనే వదిలిన మారేడా తడిసిన కన్నుల్లో మళ్ళీ ఉదయించి కలలో దేవుడిలా